These crows are everywhere. I don't know if you hear them. I better move before they shit on me. There's the trees. See them running? Or flying at me. They're everywhere. Is that a sign of what? Let me know.